Eating well does not have to come with a hefty price tag. These succulent and delicious turkey meatballs with cauliflower mash, greens and a creamy Dijon sauce will feed a family of 4 for £5. Start by making your cauliflower mash. Break the cauliflower into florets, then add them into the Instant Pot on top of a trivet. Then pour in a cup of water. Secure the lid on your Instant Pot, then select high pressure and set the timer to 2 minutes. Once cooked, perform a quick pressure release, then remove the cauliflower and place into a large bowl. Add 50ml of creme fraiche along with salt and pepper, then blend your cauliflower puree until it's nice, creamy and smooth. To a clean inner pot, add a drizzle of oil, then add your onions and cook until golden and soft. Then add your garlic and fry for 1 minute more. While your onions are cooking, pour your boiling water over your stuffing mix and set aside for 2 minutes. Add your turkey mince to a bowl, along with half of your caramelised onion and all of your stuffing mix. Season your turkey mince with salt and pepper and add in half of your chopped parsley. Mix the turkey mince mixture until well combined and the ingredients are thoroughly incorporated. Roll your mixture into 16 golf ball size meatballs. Then set these aside until needed. In a clean inner pot, stir fry your green of choice in a little bit of olive oil and season to taste with a little bit of salt and pepper before setting aside to keep warm. Time to fry your meatballs. Add a drizzle of oil to the inner pot and then add all of your meatballs into the inner pot. Fry on your highest heat setting until golden brown but not fully cooked through. Add the remaining onions back into the pot along with your water, remaining creme fraiche and Dijon mustard. Sprinkle the mixture with salt. Place your lid on your Instant Pot. Select pressure cook, set the pressure to high and set the timer for 4 minutes. Once cooked, perform a quick pressure release. Remove the meatballs from the sauce and set aside. Select cancel, then select saute and reduce the sauce on a high heat setting until nice and thick. Plate up your dish. Add your cauliflower mash to your serving platter. Then top with your meatballs, greens and then drizzling over your creamy sauce. And then scatter the dish in parsley. Serve immediately. Bon appetit and thank you for joining Instant Brand's Cook Along.